If you're selling t-shirts online, here's one tip that'll help you sell more on your social medias. Hey, what's up guys? Bodie back with another video for you, bodiedavison.com. So, if you're new to the channel, I like to talk about making money online and specifically print on demand. And I've been creating quite a big playlist, which is the print on demand playlist. And I'm gonna make another one and just specifically call it Teespring tutorials. So stay tuned for that and make sure you check that out. Anyway, today's video is all about how to make more money online with your t-shirt sales. How do you boost your sales through social media? What's the one trick? Well, I actually have something for you guys today, which is one trick that'll make all the difference in you getting more sales from your social media presence. Thanks so much to all you guys who keep liking the videos, commenting on the videos, and subscribing to the channel. I'm loving to engage with you guys. It's been so cool. This has been like a lot of growth in the past couple of weeks, and we're gonna continue to keep growing. So make sure you comment below if you have any questions or video suggestions on videos you wanna see, because I have been making videos specifically in answer to all of your questions that you've been dropping down below. So make sure you do that. Loving to engage with you guys. I reply to all the comments in case you haven't noticed, so make sure you drop them down below. No questions silly, nothing like that. I'm gonna answer all your questions. So the method that I've been teaching you guys, if you haven't seen that, make sure you check out the Teespring playlist that I have going and the print on demand playlist. The method that I've been teaching you guys is to build up your social media presence, mainly on Instagram, and then use targeted hashtags to find people in your niche, have your niche Instagram page, and then drive traffic that's interested in that niche to your niche storefront on Teespring or what other print-on-demand website you're using. So the big thing here is this is a way of driving traffic without spending money on Facebook ads. So a lot of people talk about Facebook ads. I like to keep this a lot more beginner friendly, and a lot of you guys that are beginners just don't have the money to be spending money, to be throwing money at Facebook ads. So I don't really recommend them for beginners. So that's why we're driving free traffic off our social media on Instagram. And then, as I said, in that niche, with those niche hashtags, to our niche Instagram page, and then to our niche storefront where they'll hopefully make the purchase. So now on to the point of this video, which is also a reply to a comment I had on the channel. And that is, what are you meant to be posting on your Instagram to build up your following? So what's gonna help you drive sales to your storefront and will drive targeted traffic to your storefront to make the sales? So there's 3 types of content you should be posting, and that's interesting because I do recommend posting 3 times a day, so it almost works out perfectly. And so the first one's gonna be like funny or entertaining sort of memes, either memes or videos or just quotes, things like that that are gonna generate some interest and have that viral sort of effect. So you'll see this on a lot of bigger Instagram pages. They tend to post, you know, funny, engaging sort of things where you're asking the audience a question and then hopefully getting them to comment. And then, by the way, if anyone comments on your Instagram, you always reply to them with another question. So that's gonna build up more and more of the algorithm, so more of a boost. And then Instagram's gonna show that to more people. So the more comments you're getting on posts, genuine comments that is, not bot comments, genuine comments, that's gonna help build up the snowball effect of the algorithm, and then your posts will get shown to more people. So the second type of content that I recommend is just a plain, you know, shot of your shirt. So just plain images like that of your shirt, the shirt with the design on it obviously, and these actually do quite well. But that can be your second type of content. All right, and so the third type of content, and this is the most important one and exactly what this one trick is that's gonna get you the most engagement on your posts, and that is to be using placeit.net. I'll show you guys exactly how to use that. So what Placeit does is it has a mock-up generator, and they have tens of thousands. I'm pretty sure it's like 17,000 models that you can put your design on. So they're wearing shirts, like a plain shirt like I've got on at the moment, and then you can generate your design on their shirt, and then it looks like they're wearing your shirt. So this is huge. This is absolutely massive. If you look at any sort of brands out there, they're always doing photo shoots with like a model wearing their clothes, or like, you know, another way that they do it is using famous people, things like that, and they pay a lot of money for that. And the reason that this is big and gets so much traction is because people like to see people doing things and wearing things and then imagine themselves either in that place or wearing that thing. So a classic example of this is, think of a time where you've seen someone in like a beautiful tropical island, the first thing your brain does is think of yourself there. So when you see people wearing nice clothes and you think of yourself in those clothes, you're like, it's giving you a feeling, and that feeling makes you want to have that thing more. So it's pretty crazy. But what this is social proof also. So if someone sees someone else wearing one of your shirts, then they're like, oh, this person bought one of them shirts, I'm gonna buy one of them shirts, I'm kind of interested in that. Whereas if you're only ever posting those just straight up plain shirt shots, then a lot of people, they might be interested, but they might not. It might not be enough interest to go to the purchase. Whereas when they see that social proof of you uploading so many different people with these designs on, because you can use so many different models in different situations, then they're going to be way more likely, because of that social proof, to want to purchase that shirt and then imagine themselves wearing that shirt. So let's jump onto the computer and I'm going to show you guys exactly how this Placeit works and how the mockup generator works. And we'll get a design, we'll put it on the shirt, and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. Okay guys, so here we are on Placeit.net, and this is the mockup generator that I'm going to show you, but you can do a lot of other things with Placeit that I've shown you guys, like create t-shirt designs, etc. But anyway, I thought I would cover first that this is a monthly subscription website, so it does cost money. It's about $30 a month, I believe. I ended up paying the yearly subscription so that I've just got it sorted for the year, which does bring the price down a little bit. But anyway, I'll leave the link to this so you can go through to it down below this video. Let's just go up here. So we'll go mockups and we're going to go t-shirts. And I'll show you guys exactly how it works and why it's so awesome for your social media and going to drive so many more sales for you. So it's going to show you a lot of different models here. You used to be able to just upload up here and then it'd show it on all of them. I'm pretty sure you can still do that, but we'll just click on this and I'll show you what it looks like. So it's going to bring up this model here. We're going to go upload image. So we're going to use this one that is a design that I removed the background from in another video. So hugs and kisses from your Labrador. And then you just want to show where it's going to be on the shirt. So we're going to put it up the top here. You can edit this, so don't worry too much about it. Getting it perfect the first time. And then you just go crop. Now you'll crop this and then it'll come up on the person's shirt. And there you go. It's showing you exactly what it looks like. Then you can go download from there. But anyway, let's move down. And what it'll do straight away is it'll show you your design on other mockups here. So it'll just generate it. It doesn't take very long to load up. And it'll generate your design on other mockups here. And so you can go through and you can find different models and then upload your designs onto each one. And really, you're just looking for what sort of feeling you want to give across with your brand. Like maybe it's an outdoor brand or maybe a fitness brand. Maybe it's a camping sort of brand. And then there's all these different options that pop up here that you can put your designs on. So straight away you can see you can put across a certain type of feeling for your brand on your website, and then you're giving that social proof, as I said, of like how good does that look? So it looks so good. They even put the creases and stuff in. It's such a good website. So it's just going to show you different designs there. So you can go through all the different models and check out all of the different designs. So if we just go back here and just go t-shirts again, you could go through all of these listings and then find the sort of model and design that you want to use. So there's so many pages of it. Like look how many pages there is. 275 pages to go through. So just unbelievable, guys. But let's choose a different one here and then we'll upload our design to it. So we'll go this one. And then, by the way, you can change the shirt color as you're in here. So we could change it to a blue shirt. And then let's go with an image. Let's put my face on this shirt. And then we will zoom it in just here to make it bigger. And then put that up there. All right, and then we'll go crop just for a bit of fun. And then you can see my face on the shirt. Let's say that I was happy with that and I was going to go with this shirt, even though it obviously looks horrible. But you just go download. And then you're going to go download also. See this commercial usage okay? That means you can sell your shirts online with no problems at all, by the way, guys, which is really important. Your request is now processing, and it doesn't take long at all, and it will download. It's really cool how they even put the creases in and everything, so it looks so natural. And then it just goes to your downloads up here. Click here to download, and then we're going to go allow, and it's going to come down here, and we can go and check it out. And there you go, guys. Now we have that shirt downloaded, and you can use this on your social media. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. Thanks so much for the support. Make sure you check out this app. This is this website. This is the best. Like, it's so cool. This looks horrible, like my face is all beat up or something. But anyway, yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you check out that link. It's down below. Please hit like. Please comment below any questions, and make sure you hit subscribe.